Hey guys, what is up? It's Balitorial here back again, and I've got a tutorial for you guys today. The tutorial is gonna be on my favorite flashy beginner opening and closing, which people ask me about all the time. It looks like this. That's the close, that's the open. I'll put some timestamps for just the slow-mo if you just want to see that. If not, let's get into the video. Okay, I like using this one because then I can show you guys that the colored handle is the bite handle. So before we start off, I just want to apologize for the possible wind noise because recording in Norway is hard. It's like either super cold or super windy. So I found myself like a little spot here where it shouldn't be too windy. Yeah, let's get started. So as I said, the blue handle is the bite handle, as you can see here. And you're going to want to hold the safe handle. Eventually you can do this trick on both, but to start off with, hold the safe handle so you don't get cut. And you're going to want to kind of let go of the bite handle and slap it there, and then kind of like drop it down. So I'm just going to do, first I'm going to show you guys what the trick really is, and then I'm going to add the wrist motion, which actually makes it the figure eight and not just the normal opening. So the motion itself is just this. Like you slap it down and then you pull it back up. But to make it look like this, you kind of add a wrist flick. I do this with my wrist. That's why it's called the figure eight. So, wait, fucked up. There. As you can see, my wrist moves, and the timing, like that, makes it so that it kind of looks different from just this. Because this looks weird, right? But this looks kind of clean. So I'll do it slowly. Looks like that. And yeah, you're gonna want to start off on the safe handle. You're gonna slap it back up there. Let's see, I'll do it slowly. It's kind of hard. Wait, it's a better angle. Put it up there, let it fall down as you're like bringing your wrist downwards, and then flick it back up towards you while you're doing this. So the wrist motion is just this. So let's go over it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Like that. So yeah. Just like that. It's not really that hard, but it looks pretty fancy, I believe. People like it, and it's probably one of my most used closings. Yeah. Let's see. So say you've been flipping and you land and you find yourself in this position, you can just do this, close it. It looks pretty good. I don't know if that's well enough explained. What else can I mention? It's kind of cold. My hands are like, yeah. It's all in the wrist. So first there, and then up. And you kind of get it smooth, because let's see if I try this with my left hand. Probably can't do it. Okay, no, it's fine. It's not a hard trick, as you can see. I'm not a good flipper with my left hand, but like that kind of like, it's like you flick it up towards you, you slap it down, and then bring it back up. So flick it up towards you, slap it down, bring it back up. I hope that helped, guys. If it didn't, let me know. I'll try to make a more detailed video, I guess. Try to make it more understandable. It's kind of hard. I'm doing this without a script, but I don't really think there should be a script on a video like this. It's pretty easy. And yeah, let me know what kind of tutorial you want to see next down below. Let me know if there's any special tricks, and just enjoy this view for a bit. It's pretty nice. Gotta love that. I'll see you guys in the next one.